Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive into the latest and greatest gadgets to make your life easier. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the best all-in-one cleaning solutions available on the market, the Shark Wet Dry Vacuum Mop, also known as the Hydrovac Mess Master. This 3-in-1 cordless powerhouse combines the functions of a vacuum, mop, and self-cleaning system into a single, easy-to-use device, making it a game-changer for anyone looking to simplify their cleaning routine. The Shark Hydrovac Mess Master is designed for heavy-duty, whole-home cleaning and works wonders on a variety of surfaces, from sealed hardwood floors to tile, laminate, and even area rugs. Whether you're dealing with wet messes or dry debris, the powerful suction system ensures a spotless, streak-free finish every time. It's equipped with dual brush rolls and 2 cleaning solutions, offering a deep clean that will leave your floors looking fresh and rejuvenated. Plus, with its stain boost mode, you can intensify the cleaning solution for those stubborn spots, making it even more effective. One of the standout features of the Hydrovac Mess Master is its self-cleaning brush roll system. After every use, the unit automatically cleans itself, so you don't have to worry about dirt and grime being redeposited onto your floors. The antimicrobial brush roll is treated to resist mold and mildew growth, ensuring your cleaner stays in top shape. Additionally, the rinse cycle on the dock cleans the system of any remaining debris, keeping it ready for its next job. Another advantage of this vacuum mop is its ability to reduce odors. The included Shark Hydro Concentrate cleaning solution is infused with odor-neutralizing technology, which helps eliminate any lingering smells, particularly helpful for pet owners. It's not just about cleaning the floor, it's about keeping your home smelling fresh. Ease of use is also a priority with the Shark Hydrovac. The debris filtration technology separates solids from liquids in the dirty water tank, making it simple to dispose of waste without a mess. The 21.6-volt battery ensures you have plenty of power to clean multiple rooms on a single charge, and since it's cordless, you won't be limited by the length of a power cord. Plus, it's lightweight and compact, making it easy to maneuver around your home. Whether you're tackling everyday dirt or those tougher spills, the Shark Hydrovac Mess Master offers a powerful, versatile cleaning solution that can handle it all. If you're looking for a cleaner that vacuums, mops, and stays self-cleaned, all while reducing odors and offering excellent suction, then this is the tool for you. It's available now for $299.99, and with Shark's commitment to quality, you can trust that this investment will be worth it for years to come. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more in-depth reviews. And make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you next time.